This is honestly one of the craziest YouTube Shorts channels I've ever seen. Just look at these numbers: 106 million views, 80 million views, 70 million views, and the list goes on. In just the last 30 days, this channel has pulled in over 1.4 billion views. Yes, you heard that right. 1.4 billion views in a single month. That's absolutely insane. And here's the best part. You can do it too. Making these types of shorts is actually super simple. All it takes is a few photos, some text, a wavy animation, and that signature skull shake effect at the end. That's it. The best thing is you only need to create this edit once. After that, you can reuse it as a template for all your future shorts. I'll show you step by step how to make that later in this video. But first, let's talk about the most interesting part: earnings. Now, a lot of people think that channels posting image-based content like this aren't monetized. But here's the smart move this channel is using. Let's take another look. The images in these shorts aren't just static images. They're animated using wavy motion effects. And along with posting photo edits like this, the channel also uploads video edits from time to time. And that's the key. That's one of the reasons the channel stays monetized and keeps performing successfully. And honestly, after seeing these crazy views, I don't even need to tell you how much potential that has. You can probably imagine it yourself. Now, before we start editing, here's a pro tip you really need to hear. It's not necessary to use this video style only for football content. This same format works in any niche. You can try it in other sports like MMA or cricket, or even in gaming, for example, Roblox or Minecraft. You can even make them about celebrities, showing their old photos, their journey, and where they are now, maybe even highlighting their achievements or current lifestyle. If this format brings massive views in football, just imagine the potential in other niches. The opportunities are huge. All right, now that you've got the idea, let's jump straight into the editing tutorial so you can start creating this type of viral short yourself right after watching this video.